Hello everybody and welcome to Cats Me Wow Designs. I am back with another Bargain Bead Box unboxing. This is for July of 2026. So this one is called Rainforest Relics. So we're traveling deep into the jungle in search of treasure. You will find a gorgeous hand-carved Kambaba Jasper Rose plus matching English cut and matte round beads. Other gemstone accents include deep teal apatite, turquoise, magnesite, and detailed Z beads, and red agate rounds, crystal or sparkling crystals, and an array of bronze finished findings complete the collection. So we have a lot of items this month, and so I'm excited to get started with you. So this first one is approximately 32 millimeter. It's the Kambaba Jasper Carved Rose Pendant that we got to see from our preview. I'm actually just going to put this here so that way you can continue to look at it if you want. And so look at how gorgeous this pendant is. There we go. Beautiful. And it is drilled right there. Let me grab my scissors real quick. Okay, next we have 7 to 8 millimeter Kambaba Jasper English cut faceted beads. The strand is 7 inches and it retails for $6.99. So here are those beautiful dark green jaspers. I am so glad that we are getting a lot of green tones. Ooh, there we go. They are perfect going into fall and great for grounding other colors that we have from past collections. There we go. Let me move those out of the way. Next, we have 6 to 7 millimeter turquoise green magnesite dyed rondelle beads. This is a 7-inch strand and retails also for $6.99. And I love how brightly colored this is in comparison. Absolutely gorgeous. And I am not even going to try to undo that knot. It looks pretty tight. So we're just going to cut it and get it into our little section. I am definitely, I love purple, but I am loving all of the greens in this particular box. Okay, so for the next one, let me adjust my light slightly. Maybe you can see it a little better. There we go. For the next one, we have a 15-inch strand apatite nugget beads, and they retail for $7.99. And these are just so pretty. Oh, some of them have like a crackly appearance, and some of them even sparkle. I'm very excited about these. This is definitely a much longer strand. Well, I mean, it's more than double the other strands. So hopefully I can get all of the beads to fit in this one compartment, because we have, I think, we have a bonus item, and so I think we end up having like 21 items this month. Okay. For our next one, we have a complementary color. So this is an 8 millimeter red agate dyed bead or round beads. It is a 7-inch strand for $4.99. And I love the variation. That will look so pretty against the greens. This one is loose enough. I might actually be able to untie it. Hey, what do you know? Okay. Oops. Perfect. All right, what do we have next? We have this, it's 10 piece, 10 millimeter Kambaba Jasper matte round beads. It retails for $2.99. And so these are very matte, oops, as you can see, and very pretty. I love the texture that is on them. Oops, there we go. Okay, so next we have 2.5 by 2 millimeter synthetic turquoise. This is man-made rondelle beads. The strand is 14.5 inches and retails for $3.99. I am so sorry about that. My camera had an issue, but anyways, these look so pretty and so cute. They are also incredibly tiny, so let's hope they all go where they're supposed to. And if you can hear my cat playing with her loud toy in the background, I am very sorry. I don't think I have made any long form content since we got her from the shelter, and she has the energy of 1,000 suns. She's just constantly playing and is always so noisy, so I'm just very sorry about that in advance. So these are really, really pretty, and these will go especially well with the lighter colored greens. The other strand that was super long, like would go really well with that one. If you do beading, I would love to hear what your favorite thing to do with these teeny tiny little beads are, because I need ideas. Okay, so next we have this 4-piece. They are 13 to 14 by a millimeter by 9 to 10 millimeter agate. They are dyed and heated. The Dizzy barrel beads, and they retail for $4.99. And these are gorgeous. Ooh, I am already getting some beautiful ideas for those. Okay, next we have 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted fancy rondelle beads in varied olivine crackle. This is a 7-inch strand and retails for $4.99. So these are so pretty, and it has that beautiful finish on it so that it has a nice sparkle. I'm definitely more of a fan of when these strands are on this cord as opposed to wire, because it is much easier to get them off. Okay, so next we have 6 by 5 millimeter crystal English cut round beads in green vitriol. This is a 9.5-inch strand and retails for, I believe, $3.99. My last number is cut off a little bit. Let me get that out of the way. There we go. So those are so pretty and so sparkly. Absolutely love that. And this is, of course, in the very thing I mentioned I don't care for. Let me see if I can I don't want to break any of the beads, but I do want to get this unstrung. Okay, wait a second. All right, there we go. Hopefully all of the other beads will come off nicely. these are probably whenever we get like these types of beads in the bead box, like I always get so excited because I love glitter everything. And they just add such a beautiful shine. Okay. All right, somehow I'm going to get this off. There we go. Oops. I'm losing some somehow. Okay, the next piece is a 21 by 8 millimeter enameled brass hammered oval charm. This is lead-free and cadmium-free. It retails for $2.99. And so we see it has a cute little piece of turquoise, so that would go beautifully there. Okay, next we have okay, yeah, there is two pieces. They are 21 millimeter by 17 millimeter Monstra leaf charms in jungle green. These are lead-free, cadmium-free, and retail for $1.99. These are so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love this jungle theme so much. Okay, so next we have 4 pieces. They are 27 by 14 millimeter Monstra leaf links. They are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free, and they retail for $2.99. So let's take a look at these beautiful links. Ooh, I love those. And if you did not buy a bead box for this month, the extras are already available on their sister site. So please be sure to go and get some of these if you do like the pieces. They do, I think, also have some leftover boxes. So if you did like the whole box, you could totally do that as well. All right. So next we have a 41 by 35 millimeter leaf pendant in antique bronze patina, and it retails for $2.99. Ooh, that is a beautiful pendant. I'm already getting so many ideas, you guys. I love the patina style. Okay. So next we have 10 grams of I cannot speak today. 4 by 3 millimeter glass spacer beads in dark orange. They retail for $2.99. I'm going to let you look at them through the bag because I feel like I will just spill them all over the place if I don't put them directly where they belong. Okay. So next we have 4 pieces. They are 10 to 22 millimeter spiral charm mix in antique bronze patina, retail for $2.99. So we have 2 different kinds. We have the outer spiral and the inner spiral. So that is a super fun mix. Okay, I have quite a bit left. I hopefully will not run out of space. All right, so this is 10 grams of 4.5 by 3.5 millimeter cubic rondelle spacer beads. They are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free, and they retail for $2.99. So these are what the spacer beads look like. Let me get them out. I think these are a little bit bigger than the orange ones, so I shouldn't have too bad of a problem. So they're also very pretty. Okay. Next we have 10 millimeter leafy bead caps. These are also lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, retail for $2.99. Look at these beautiful bead caps. Love it. Okay, next We have 2 sets of 26 through 31 millimeter toggle clasps. They are all the same, free, so lead free, nickel free, cadmium free, retail for $2.99. So those are very cool. Go ahead, whoops. I'll go ahead and put those in there. Okay, and then we have 1 meter of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter Luma China chain, lead free, nickel free, and retails for $4.99. So that's what it looks like. It's hard with my light. But I'm going to leave that there so that way if I want to order more of that chain later, then I will know what it is. And then we also have a bonus item. So this is 2 brass pinch bales. So for example, these, I believe, I'm not sure why there's 2, maybe if you bought more, but I'm assuming that these are designed to go into the hole for the pendant to make it a little bit easier. So I am actually going to go ahead and take those out. I have never used these before, but I am excited to give it a try. So that is our July 2026 bead box. We have so many fun and amazing things in here, and I know I can't wait to get started crafting. And yeah, so I would love to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, have a crafty day. Bye!